Yo, what's going on, guys? My name's Josue Alas, and I'm going vegan for 40 days. Check it out. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you want to see more videos about healthy recipes, traveling, or just overall vlogs and stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here so you don't miss out on any more awesome content, and make sure you hit the notification icon right here so you're the first to know every single time that I upload a new video. By the way, if you like that music that you just heard in the intro, that's actually my own original music. So if you want to check out more of what I make music-wise, make sure you follow my SoundCloud right here. I will, of course, post a link in the description down below if you want to go out and check out more of that music. Alright, so let's get into the video. Actually, wait a second, there's one thing we gotta do. Happy New Year, guys. It's 2018, it's January, and New Year, new you. It's time to get started. It's time to get out there. It's time to get fucked up. Nah. I'm just joking. We're good. I hope everybody had a safe New Year. I hope everybody got home safe. I hope everybody had a great time. Whatever your goals are, I really hope that you achieve everything that you want this year. But now let's get into what this video is all about. So I am gonna go vegan for 40 days. So I'm challenging myself from today, which is January 1st, the first day of the brand new year, to go vegan for 40 days. I'm talking no meat, no dairy, actually not even any alcohol for 40 days. Because 40 days from now, that's gonna be February 9th, I believe. So February 9th is 3 days before my birthday. So I'm challenging myself to do this just all up until my birthday to see how this makes me feel. So people are like, yo, why are you doing this? You're crazy. That's stupid. Why would you do that to yourself? What are you gonna do at the parties? I know, I get it, it sounds crazy, but I gotta do this. And let me tell you why. I've been doing a lot of research on veganism for about 3-4-ish years now, and like I've watched a lot of documentaries. I've seen just like all of the benefits that people talk about. I've seen all of this stuff where like people just talk about how, like, you know, switching to a plant-based diet helps their health, it helps them lose weight, it just helps them feel better overall. And I'm not gonna lie, I've always been interested in that stuff, but I've always also kind of been like, yeah, I don't know, man, these people are tripping, they're probably crazy. Like, there's no way, this is all bullshit. But there really is only one way to find out, right? So I'm gonna try it. I'm not saying it's gonna be easy. It's probably gonna be super hard. I used to be vegetarian for like a year, like many years ago, and like it was pretty hard to do. So I mean, I kind of have done it. I've never done vegan, like no dairy, no nothing. I'm like reading every goddamn label, like, is there milk in this? Is there eggs in this? And giving up eggs is probably gonna be the hardest thing because like I like love eating eggs for breakfast, and you know, just like scrambled eggs. So that's probably gonna be the toughest part. I got like a lot of events coming up too, like a couple trips that we're taking, birthday parties, and you know there's gonna be cakes and alcohol and beer, and I'm like, oh, that's so me, like that's all I fucking want. And it's like, if I can't have it, what the fuck am I gonna do? Am I just gonna be bored? I guess we're gonna find out. But I do plan on keeping you guys posted throughout like this whole process. So I'll be making routine videos throughout this 40-day challenge. I'll be making new recipe videos. I'll be doing weekly weigh-ins for like health. So make sure you check my Instagram page right here. So you can check that out because all of my new stuff, like recipes and, you know, my stories or whatever that you do on Instagram, you can keep up with me more that way. I'm usually a little bit more active in there if I'm not making videos. But without further ado, I spent today like going to like a few different stores, doing a whole grocery haul so I could do a little bit of meal prep and just get all things like vegan to try to stock on my fridge. So I'm going to show you the stuff that I got. Actually, if any of you guys are doing any of this, if any of you guys are trying a new diet, or if you're trying to get healthier, or if you're going vegan, or if you're trying to be a vegetarian, yo, whatever it is, let me know, because I want to know like how it's going to go for you. Yo, help me, help you, help me, help me. I'll keep you guys posted. But check this out. Thank you guys for watching this intro and getting to know why I'm going to do this. But check out this new recipe. I think you guys are going to like it. And if you do like it, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. You subscribe. And as always, please drop a comment. Leave a comment. I love comments. I want to talk to you guys. I like interacting. So Alright guys, so let's get into the recipe. We're going to be making tofu burritos. We got some tortillas, some tomatoes, some peppers, some serrano chilies, some corn, some beans, some salsa, and some lime. And the first thing we're going to do is gather some spices and crumble up the tofu. By the way, all of the measurements, will be linked in the description down below. So after we crumble up the tofu, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a pan, put some oil in it, put in the onions and get them sauteed until they're all nice and translucent. And then we're going to add the spices, so just to bring out the flavors a little bit. And then we're going to add the tofu, the pepper, and the tomato, and we're going to stir it all up. So after you stir it up, what I wanted to do next is just add some lime, just for that extra freshness. Then you just want to start stacking your burritos. So you want to add the tofu mixture, your beans, your corn, your peppers, your salsa, your lime, and then you want to start rolling them up. Surprisingly, out of like this whole concoction, I was able to get like 15 burritos. So some of them, what I did was actually I cooked some of them, I put them in a pan so you can serve them right away. And then the other ones, I put them in the freezer. So all the leftovers, just save them for later. But as soon as you open it, it's just a bunch of deliciousness. The tofu, you know what? You can't even taste the tofu. It tastes just like a regular Mexican burrito. You gotta try it, I'm telling you, it was delicious. I like mine spicy, so, I had to turn up the heat. But hey, there you go, tofu burritos. Yo, I hope you guys like that recipe. So I got more of these coming. If you have any suggestions on something that you want me to try to make, yo, I'm up for it. Let me know. Like I said, just leave the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned because I got a lot more coming. Happy New Year.